How to get Uber Eats working promo code. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want. Now you want to search for Coupon Follow. Here tap on the very first website, which is couponfollow.com. On this web page, tap on the search bar and here search for Uber Eats. Tap on Uber Eats from here. Now you're going to find different promo codes. All of these are latest and valid, so you want to look for the promo code which is most suited to you. For example, the first one is take $15 off of your $20 plus order. Tap on this and here your coupon code is revealed. Before you use this, you have to check out the offer details and also check out the expiration date. If all of this looks good, tap on the copy option. Once you have copied the promo code, you can then use this while checking out in Uber Eats. You can also tap on redeem at Uber Eats so that the Uber Eats website will open up and you can directly redeem your promo code from here. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.